A wire 7 4/5 feet long is to be cut in 3 equal parts. How long should each part be? So basically we're going to take 7 4/5 and we're going to divide that by 3. So we have two things going on here. First, we have a mixed number. So we'll change that to an improper fraction. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 4 is 39 divided by 5. Now, when we are dividing fractions, we change it to multiplication by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 3 is 1/3, so now it's a multiplication problem. First, note that 3 goes into itself once and into 39 13 times. Now what we have is 13 times 1, which is 13, and 5 times 1, which is 5. So each piece should be 13/5 feet long. Now, if you wanted to, you could change that into a mixed number, which would be 5 into 13, 2 and 3/5. And each one would then be 2 3/5 feet long.